Ciao, it's Laura here, the Beauty Buster, to talk to you today about my newest creation, this lip balm. It is amazing, called Campagna. It comes in this little suede bag, and then as we open it, beautiful textured gold tissue paper, and then it comes with a card that Campagna Sacred Lip Experience, and it also explains how this lip balm came to be and all the ingredients and the details about it. And this is the actual lip balm. It is beautiful, and this packaging I just love because it totally reminds me of the olive groves and the vineyards in Italy. So in 2017, my sister and I went to Italy. And we went to the town where our family's from, and it's in the Campagna region of Italy, and it's Postiglione, Italy, and up in the mountains, and it's beautiful and spectacular. And my great-grandfather is from there, and he actually had olive groves there, and we do not have them anymore, unfortunately, but Nicola Motola, it was his name, and actually in American you would call it Mottola, and yes, we are related to Tommy Mottola, believe it or not. Same family, and this is where we came from. So the olive oil there is so spectacular. When I brought it home, I would savor it and only eat it with bread or sometimes a little teaspoon and have some. And then I noticed that my chronically chapped lips were never dry anymore. The inflammation was gone. Sometimes you get those little bleeding ones in the side, they were gone. It was incredible. My lips felt baby smooth, and they never have my whole life. So I was really excited. I'm like, I know what I have to do with this. I'm definitely going to make a lip balm with it. So this formula is incredible. I'm really proud of it. It is vegan, which is not always easy to do, and it's much more expensive to make something vegan, as we all know. And the wax, it heats at over 150 degrees, so it's never really going to melt in your pores. And when you put it on, because it heats at such a high temperature, it is also very resistant to water. So when you lick your lips, it is not going to just come right off. So this is not the lip balm you are going to need to reapply every 10 minutes. You see people obsessed with their lip balm and they keep reapplying it. You can if you want to, but the formula is so dense and you will feel it as soon as it goes on. You'll notice this is not your traditional lip balm. Another thing that makes it so spectacular is that I put pure rose oil in it. Now, most things that you get that have a rose smell are either synthetic, or if they say, oh, there's real rose oil, there might be, but it is usually in a jojoba oil base or some kind of carrier oil. This is not. This is completely 100% pure oil, extremely expensive. But I wanted to make this really luxurious, and I really wanted to pay respects to my great-grandfather and my family and all the work that the Italians put into making things just luxurious and every little detail down the line they think of. The olive oil actually is really limited, so there's not a lot of it out there because it's more from one little town up in the mountains in Italy, but also that it's really strict European organic standards. So if you know anything about that, they are much more strict than America, and to the point where they can't even get the rainwater and gather it and irrigate the crops like that. They can only use the water as it falls from the sky. So this is really a labor of love for the olive oil and for myself. I really wanted to make it special. I hope you enjoy it. You can buy it at thebeautybuster.com, and you will also find on there salons around the country that are carrying the lip balm, so you can purchase it there if you prefer and go and say hi and smell it. It's so amazing. Rose is an antidepressant and anti-anxiety, and everybody knows that when you smell rose, it smells so great. And just like in the Italian way, you want to smell the roses literally and just relax and just have a nice day and eat and drink. And what's better than the most pure olive oil on earth, but to actually put it on your lips and you can take a little piece of Italy home with you. So once again, you can buy that at thebeautybuster.com, and I will see you later. Thank you.